Welcome back, my friends. We are out here at the pistol range today, playing around with some 357 Magnum and the GP100, and we are shooting some Remington factory 158 grain soft points there. So I'm just gonna be warming up, shooting the target a little bit. So let's see what we can do here. So there's our first 6 at the 12-ish yard line. I'm pretty good vertically, but I'm a little horizontal all over the place. Let's try 6 more and see if we can't tighten that up a bit. All right, here we are again, and we'll go double action this time. Okay, well, I really pulled this first one way up here, and then our last 5 were right back into that same group as the first one. Obviously, old dummy needs a little more trigger time, but let's run a couple over the chronograph and see what it says. So that was 3 quickly over the chronograph. They're going right at 1450. We had one 1470 and one 1430. So right in the middle, 1450. So very nice. So there you have it. There's dummy just blasting some 357 Magnum out of the GP100 with some random factory ammo I can't recall its origin from. But anyways, there we are for the day. Not great, but not horrible. Anyways, if you enjoy this sort of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.